All aboard! Learn English with Ferries. Hello everyone! Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a special topic within the travel and transportation theme: water transportation. And within this exciting theme, we'll be focusing on one particular mode of water transportation: ferries. So, let's get started. A ferry is a type of vehicle that's designed for carrying passengers, and sometimes vehicles and cargo as well, across bodies of water. You might see ferries in various places, like in big cities with rivers, or coastal areas. Ferries can be small boats or much larger vessels, depending on the distance to be traveled and the number of passengers or amount of cargo to be transported. Here are some common expressions you might hear or need when talking about or using a ferry. Catch the ferry. This means to get on the ferry. Example: I need to catch the ferry to Manhattan. Miss the ferry. This means that you didn't get to the ferry in time to board. Example: I woke up late and missed the ferry. Ferry crossing. This refers to the route that the ferry travels. Example: the ferry crossing can be quite scenic in the early morning. Now that we understand some common expressions, let's use them in some sentences. 1. The ferry leaves at 8 a.m., so we need to be there a bit earlier to buy tickets. 2. Due to bad weather, the ferry crossing was cancelled. 3. We missed our ferry, so we had to wait for the next one. So, there you have it. We've learned about ferries, what they are, some common expressions related to them, and how to use these expressions in sentences. I hope you find this lesson useful, and remember, practice is key to mastering a new language. Keep practicing these new phrases and words, and you'll be a pro in no time. See you in our next English language adventure.